Hello everyone, so now you can install all the different widgets on your iPhone. So just tap and hold, tap on plus icon in top right, and to install Lose It widget, just search for Lose It, and there you have it. Of course, you need to have your Lose It app also installed on iPhone or in like app library, whatever. So you can have different designs here. First, calorie ring. This widget displays a ring for your daily calorie budget. Calorie countdown, remaining calorie budget for the day. A macros breakdown. It displays a breakdown of your macronutrients for the day. So these are the options available at this moment. I think they will expand in time, but that's what you have now. And then just select it and just tap Add Widget and exit the jiggle mode. And there you have it. That's the widget. If you tap on it, you will be redirected to the app. Whatever, you can just tap and hold. You can edit widget from here. Ouch. So that's about that. So it's just first version of these widgets, and then you can remove it like that. So super quick overview, but hope it was helpful.